Welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to import custom fields into JetEngine using the WP Ultimate CSV Importer plugin. Let's get started. Before we jump into the import process, let me show you what's inside the CSV file. This file contains data for the event's custom post type. It has columns for the event title, event date, event location, and event organizer, which are custom fields we've set up using JetEngine. First, visit the WordPress dashboard and navigate to the WP Ultimate CSV Importer. Next, start to upload the prepared import file from the Import/Update option. I am uploading it from my desktop. So I click on the Browse button to locate and select the CSV file from my computer. Choose the Fresh Import to import new entries. Then choose the post type you're working with, in this case, select Events. Now comes the critical step, field mapping. Map your CSV columns to JetEngine's custom fields. Make sure to map all the field headers you've added in your import file. Once everything is mapped correctly, save the mapping template and click Continue. Configure the import settings and run the import. Once the import is complete, you'll see a confirmation message. It's time to check if everything was successfully added. Go to your event's custom post type in WordPress, and you'll see all the events listed. Each with their relevant details like date, location, and event organizer. And that's it. You've successfully imported JetEngine custom fields data using WP Ultimate CSV Importer. Like this video? Hit the thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more WordPress tips. Thank you for watching.